Hello friends, welcome to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to insert pie chart in Excel. In our last video, we have learned how to insert column chart. Friends, if you have missed that video, kindly check in the description box, the link is given. So to insert pie chart here, I'm using the marks of the students here in this pie chart. So for inserting pie chart, first I will select the names of the students. So first let me select the names of the students. And after selecting the names of the students, I'm going to select the total marks obtained by the students. So for selecting the total marks, you need to press and hold Control key on the keyboard and select the total marks of the students. So here I have selected the names and the marks of the students. So after selecting marks and names of the students, in Insert tab, you have the Charts group. In Charts group, just click on this pie chart. In pie chart, I'm using 2D pie chart. So just click on this 2D pie chart. So as soon as you click on this 2D pie chart, you can see here your pie chart will be inserted here. Now, just you need to click and drag it wherever you want to place this pie chart in your Excel worksheet. So after inserting this, you can observe here only the names are given here in this pie chart. There are no names, no marks inserted here. So to insert marks here, to get the marks in this pie chart, you need to click on this plus symbol. This is called chart elements. You need to insert some chart elements here in this chart area. So for that, you need to click on plus symbol. So as soon as you click on this plus symbol, you will see here some options you will get. So here chart title is already selected. Data label is not selected. So just click on this data labels. If you want to get more options in this data labels, you can see here center, inside end, outside end, best fit, data call out and more options. You can just click on this outside end if you want to insert the marks outside of the chart. So just click on it and you will see the marks also will be displayed here along with the names here, and the names are displayed in this legend. Now if you want to insert names along with the marks here, along with the marks, if you want to insert names also, so how will you do that? So to do that, you need to right click on this chart. Just right click on this chart and select Format Data Labels. So when you click on Format Data Labels, you will get some options of this Format Data Labels. And here you need to select Category Name. Just click on Category Name. So as soon as you click on this category name, you will see here the names also will be displayed along with the marks. So this is the way you have to do some changes with the format data labels. Now, if you want to do some changes with this legend, so just you need to right click on this legend and just click on the legend. You will find some format legend options. If you don't get this option, just you need to right click and click on this format legend. Now, when you click on this format legend, you will get the options here. So if you want to insert your legend at the left, top, right, left, so like this you can select the options. Now after inserting towards the left side of this chart area, here you have some text options. So if you want to change the color of this legend, you can click on this text options, and in this you can select solid fill if you want to insert some solid color and choose the color of your choice. So suppose if you want to use red color, just see here the color will be inserted for this legend. And if you want to fill some background color, if you want to fill, you have to click on this legend options, sorry, text options, and here legend options, and here you have the fill option. So just click on fill, and here if you want solid fill, gradient fill, you can use gradient fill if you want. Just if you want to do the changes, you can do the changes with the colors. So like this you can apply the options here in for this legend. Now if you same way, if you want to do some changes with the text of this chart, and first I want to do this changes with the chart title. So just select it and delete it and type the title for your chart. So here I will say students marks. So you can type like this, and if you want to do changes, like if you want to change the color of this text, just you need to select it. In home tab you have the font group. Here you can apply the color for this. Say suppose I want to take this color, and same way if you want to increase the size, again select the text and then go for the text options. Here in this font option you have the size, you can increase the size of the text, and same way for this names and marks also, if you want to do some changes you can increase the size, and even the color if you want to select, you can click on this font color and apply the font color for this text. So like this you can do the changes with your text in this pie chart. So friends, I hope it's clear how to insert the pie chart in Excel and how to format the text. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.